I am Lizette, and I'm a fashion stylist, and I also work in the back, so I do helping with shipping and the dry cleaning that we process, so it's I do a lot. I don't want to buy any more new things. Everything in store is meant to be bought, but I don't think things need to be bought that often, so it's really sad because like you go to the store, everything's really cute, you want to buy everything, but the quality of it isn't good. It's not made to last, it's made to be fashionable, so we don't think about like the people behind it, like, you know, we're fashionable at like workers' expense. It's what's trending, but it's not really sustainable to like constantly like buy trends, you know? So I don't know. Personally me, no, but I think the average person probably wouldn't be able to do it. Just because a lot of people work a lot of the time. Nobody has time to go out thrifting. Personally don't feel like I have a problem buying like new things. I don't really have time to either. Seeing if I can do it. Like, I know like I don't buy new things very often, but I just want to see if I can go an entire year without buying like, you know, like a shirt or something. I think that's an interesting challenge, but you know, bye.